So, Qs, welcome again to our YouTube channel. So, again, we are in an HTML video. So, this video is about the CSS box model. So, what is CSS? CSS is basically used to edit, format HTML. Okay. So, we have some documentation like all HTML elements can be considered as a box. In CSS, the term of box model is used when talking about design and layout. Okay, so here is our first program about CSS model box. So let's see about this program. So I'm copying this for running the program in Notepad. So I've copied the program. Let's save the program in my file, which is HTML file 1. Well, saving it. Now here is the compile. Let's see the output. So see this output. The output is showing a box with some documentation inside it. Now let's see what is the program says. We are starting with HTML tag, then comes the head tag, then comes the style tag. And under style tag we write div, in bracket we write background color, which is light gray of the box. See, the background color of the box is light gray. And then we write the width, which is 300 px. The width is 300 px, and border is 15 px of solid green. Now we have given padding of 50x and margin of 20x. Now we have closed the bracket. Now this was all the main thing about which was inside the head tag under the style tag. Now we have closed style tag, and then we have come to head tag. We have closed head tag, then we have come to body tag. Now in body tag I have written the heading, which is demonstrating the box model. So you can see the heading over here, demonstrating the model box. So next, in paragraph I have written that the CSS box model is essential a box that wraps around every element. It consists of border, padding, margin, and actual content. So this was the para. Then again we have used div, that is welcome to user blog. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this was the main thing that is inside the box, right? So this thing was inside the box. So then this is all about CSS model box, how to create an box model and how to write inside that box. So for writing inside the box, you have to start with div tag. Okay, for writing inside this box. So this was all. Now let's do some editing in this program. Let's check how it works. So first I'll change the background color. I'll make it white. Suppose black. If I make it black, then suppose if I increase the width, which is 500 px, and if I increase the border, let it be 40 px. Now let me change padding to 100. Now let's see the output, and margin is of 50. We have increased everything. Now let's save this and have a refresh. So you can see we can't understand anything about whatever is there, because I have chose the background color black and the words written inside that was also in black. So what to do, how to make that words colorful? So making this was colorful, let put over here a color. Now for this we have to do in text color. Now we have to do this in give semicolon and do this in text. You have to use text color tag, which is in quotation. Suppose text color which is in quotation white, suppose white there. Okay, now let's see, save this file and let's run. Okay, so I'm not giving this quotation over here, let's give the quotation. And now let's see by giving an hyphen over here, text color, right? So in place of white, let's see red. So as you can see, it is coming, but the process is slow. So this was all about the first program. Now let's go to the second program, right?